How to activate Venmo debit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can activate your Venmo debit card. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser and we'll simply search for Activate Venmo debit card. Then there is a website from Venmo themselves. Let's head over there. So this is basically an article on how you can activate your Venmo debit card. So the first thing that you'll need to do is open up your Venmo wallet. Then go to the Cards tab. Then select Venmo debit card section. After you select your debit card section, you can simply tap on Activate. After you tap on Activate, you can enter the CVV listed, or basically your security code listed on the card itself. So after you find the CVV listed on the card, you can enter it out and then create a PIN for your card. And you can just use it now. You have just activated your Venmo debit card. And that's how simple it is, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye-bye. Take care.